Punjab is a state located in the northern region of India, usually known as a land of saints and fighters. The name Punjab is made of two words, Panj, which means five, plus Ab, which means water. That is the land of five rivers. The five rivers of Punjab are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, and Jhelum. It has a vibrant cultural and agricultural heritage, famous for its cultivation of wheat and rice all over India.
Water is a precious resource, and without it, life is not possible on Earth.
About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water, which includes ocean 96.5%, saline lakes 0.07%, saline groundwater 0.95%, and fresh water 2.5%. The fresh water further includes glacier and ice caps 68.6%, groundwater 30.1%, and surface water and other fresh water 1.3%. Surface water and other fresh water further includes ice and snow 73.1%, lakes 20.1%, atmospheric water 0.22%, rivers 0.46%, swamps and marshes 2.53%, soil moisture 3.52%.
Out of which 99% is unusable and 1% is used by humans, which includes groundwater, lakes, and rivers.
Water pollution refers to the contamination or degradation of water bodies such as lakes, rivers, ocean, and groundwater by introduction of harmful substances or pollutant. These pollutants can harm the environment, aquatic life, and human health. The two chief sources of water pollution can be seen as point and non-point. Point refers to the pollutant that belong to a single source. Non-point are referred to as the pollutants that are emitted from multiple sources. There are various types of water pollution found in India, which are chemical pollution, surface water pollution, groundwater pollution, suspended matter pollution, oxygen depletion pollution, microbial pollution, thermal pollution, and oil spillage.
The major water pollution found in Punjab are industrial pollution, agriculture runoff, groundwater contamination, domestic sewage, and heavy metal contamination. Agriculture runoff. The excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides in Punjab agriculture can result in the runoff of these chemicals into rivers, causing water pollution. Groundwater contamination. Over-extraction of groundwater and contamination from industrial and agriculture sources have led to the contamination of the state's groundwater. Domestic sewage. Inadequate sewage treatment facilities in urban areas often lead to the direct discharge of sewage into water and canals, further polluting the water. Heavy metal contamination. The presence of heavy metals like arsenic and cadmium in the water sources poses health risks to the population.
There are various types of water pollutants in India, which includes microbial contaminants, chemical pollutant, nutrient pollutant, sedimentation, groundwater contaminant, radioactive contaminants, and plastic.
The major water pollutants in Punjab includes pesticides and herbicides, fertilizers, industrial effluents, sewage, heavy metals, groundwater contaminants, and pathogens. Pesticides and herbicides. Chemical residues from excessive pesticide and herbicide used in agriculture can contaminate water sources. Fertilizers. Excessive use of fertilizers such as nitrates and phosphates can lead to nutrient pollution in water bodies, causing problems like algal blooms. Industrial effluents. Untreated or inadequately treated industrial effluents release various pollutants, including heavy metals, organic chemicals, and toxins into rivers and water bodies. Sewage. Inadequate sewage treatment infrastructure in urban areas can result in the discharge of untreated sewage into water bodies, introducing pathogens and organic matter. Heavy metals. industries can discharge heavy metals like lead, cadmium, and chromium into the water, posing health risk. Groundwater contaminants. Over-extraction of groundwater and contamination from agricultural and industrial activities can lead to groundwater pollution, including the presence of harmful substances like arsenic and fluoride. Pathogens. Contamination with the bacteria, viruses, and parasites from sewage and agricultural runoff can make water unsafe for consumption. These are the various case studies related to the water pollution in Punjab. Punjab has the highest number of cancer cases in the country today. It is due to the contaminated water and soil. The government has organized the train, especially for the cancer patients, which run from Bhatinda, Punjab to Bikaner, Rajasthan for the treatment of the cancer patients in the government hospital. According to this case study, it was observed there is a high concentration of uranium and arsenic which was found to be beyond its permissible limit. The arsenic causes cancer and uranium which affects kidneys and lungs. According to this case study, many aquatic organisms were found to be died in Bias River due to the discharge from the industries and factories, especially from the sugar mill.
Some of the effects of water pollution in Punjab, which includes health impact. Contaminated water sources can lead to waterborne diseases, including cholera, typhoid, and dengue.
Agriculture consequences. Punjab is known for its agriculture, and water pollution can reduce crop yield and quality. Contaminated water used for the irrigation can harm agriculture productivity.
Ecosystem damage. Water pollution can disrupt aquatic ecosystems. Excessive nutrient runoff can cause algal blooms and dead zones where marine life cannot survive. This disrupts the balance of local ecosystem and threat fish population. Groundwater contamination. Over time, pollutant from the surface water sources can infiltrate and contaminate groundwater, which is a primary source of drinking water in Punjab. This can lead to long-term health risks for those who rely on groundwater.
Solution of water pollution in Punjab. Wastewater treatment. Improve and expand wastewater treatment facility to ensure that industrial and domestic effluent are probably treated before release.
Regulation and enforcement. Strictly enforce environmental regulation to limit industrial and agriculture pollution, including discharge limits and waste management practices.
Agriculture practices. Promote sustainable farming practices including reduced chemical fertilizer and pesticide use, and encourage crop rotation to reduce runoff into water bodies.
Alternative energy sources. Promote the use of clean energy sources to reduce reliance on polluting industries.
Groundwater management. Implement measures to control over-extraction of groundwater, which can exacerbate pollution by drawing contaminants deeper into the aquifers.
Afforestation. Encourage afforestation to create buffer zones around water bodies, reducing pollution runoff. Water, the purest and the purifier. Utilize it, never waste it, save it, never spoil it.